Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hadia Samudin and I am from Group 5. In this video, I will answer question number 1 and number 2. Before answering the question, I would like to explain the title of the article, since the article did not originally include one. Our group decided to give it the title The Role of Guided Reflective Journals in Developing Pre-Service Teachers' Pedagogical Awareness because it reflects the main focus and discussion presented in the article. Now let's move on to the first question. Which paragraph serves as the introduction? Explain your reasons using textual evidence. The first paragraph serves as the introduction. Why? First, the paragraph provides the background of the study by explaining the importance of reflective teaching in teacher education. This can be seen in the sentence. The integration of reflective teaching practice has become increasingly important in teacher education programs. Second, the paragraph presents the problem of the study. It states that many pre-service teachers struggle to connect theoretical knowledge with their actual classroom experience. This is shown in the sentence. However, many pre-service teachers struggle to connect theoretical knowledge from methodology course with their actual classroom experience during teaching practicum. Finally, the paragraph identifies a research gap by indicating the need for structured reflective activities. This is supported by the sentence. This gap suggests the need for structured reflection activities that guide the student in analyzing their teaching performance critically. So, the first paragraph functions as the introduction because it presents the background, the problem, and the result gap of the study. Let's move on to the second question. Which paragraph explains the research procedures? Identify key processes that signal this section. So, paragraph 2 explains the research procedures or method section. Why? Because this paragraph describes how the study was conducted. First, it identifies the participant as shown in the sentence. The participants were 24/7 semester students. Second, it explains the research design. A qualitative descriptive design was employed. Third, it describes the research procedures. Over a 12-week practicum period, students were required to write weekly reflective journals based on specific problems related to lesson planning, classroom management, student engagement, and instruction challenge. And in addition, it explained the data collection method. The data consisted of journal entries and follow-up semi-structures interviews. This process clearly indicates that the paragraph discussed the research procedures. And for key processes that signal this section include the participants were a qualitative descriptive design was employed and then over a 12-week practicum period and the data consisted of and the last thematic analysis was used.